Hi everybody, it's Rebecca, Virginia. I hope you all had an amazing new year and I'm so excited to be back here making new craft videos for you every Thursday. To kick off the 2023 videos, I wanted to show you 10 of my favorite Dollar Tree products to DIY with, but these are some that you have to think a little bit outside of the box for. These are not your typical projects that you're going to find in the Crafters Square section. We are going to be looking at some more secret Dollar Tree items. To start off, we are going to head over to the baking and cooking section of Dollar Tree. These have two of my favorite craft supplies. It is actually going to be this muffin tin as well as a pizza pan tin. In the past, I have made these DIY sock pumpkin muffins and I used the muffin tin. I have also used it in the winter to paint some snowman in. I have another one coming up in the spring that I am very excited to try. So if you want to grab a muffin tin ahead of time, you can do that craft with me. I also love the pizza pan tins. These are great for larger signs. I did it for Christmas last year, and also a couple years ago, I made this really cute Happy Easter pizza pan sign. Another great baking accessory that the Dollar Tree has come out with probably in the last year are these different decorative tips for icing. They also sell icing bags. I really like using these in projects where I use the Dollar Tree spackle. It gives a really pretty faux icing effect. So if you ever see the various decorative tips or even the icing bags at your Dollar Tree, pick it up because you never know when you're going to make a faux sugary sweet DIY. Next up in my secret Dollar Tree crafting items are going to be the plastic cutting boards that you can find in the kitchen and homewares section. Lately, the Dollar Tree has been coming out, especially for spring, with some different crafting cutting board signs that you can find where the usual seasonal signs are. But before they came out with those, I would always use the plastic cutting boards. Again, now that they've started to kind of bring them out more in the crafting section, these are a couple of the DIYs that I have done with them. But if you're not able to find them in your store or get your hands on them, pretty much every Dollar Tree tends to have the plastic cutting boards, so I really suggest picking them up. They make really great kitchen decor for any season. Next up on our list are going to be the wine glasses from the Dollar Tree, particularly the stemless wine glasses. You do not have to be a wine lover to use these. I use them in so many crafts. They are a great item. A lot of the Dollar Tree stemless wine glasses have a lot of writing on them, but for most of my DIYs, I paint them so it doesn't matter. But if you ever find the clear stemless wine glasses, pick them up because they are a great item to use in crafting. Here I made a Frankenstein and pumpkin. I have also made it actually into, I use this for my water drink in the summer months, a watermelon cup. I've done a Minnie Mouse cup. This was a really fun one to do. I had the little hidden Mickeys on the inside of the glass. So those are more of the traditional cups, but for this one, I took a clear one and flipped it upside down and made this kind of fortune teller globe. This is a perfect example of when that clear wine glass comes in handy because I didn't have to paint it. The Dollar Tree also sells those traditional stemmed wine glasses. I like using these a lot. I made a snowman out of them, and then with another wine glass, I flipped it upside down and made a bunny and had a little tea light on the holder. The mugs from Dollar Tree are also great to use in DIYs, particularly these more plain ones. I really like to use them with my vinyl projects because you can put whatever kind of saying that you want onto that plain mug. And I also like using them when I make my faux whipped treats for the Christmas season. It works great on the Dollar Tree mugs. Moving on to my fourth favorite and secret item to craft with, it has got to be the hot pads and the oven mitts found in the homeware section of Dollar Tree. I absolutely love the plain colored ones that they have come out with. They have a pocket in them, just like shown here. You can add in a little towel, some rubber spatulas, and it is an amazing Christmas gift to give someone, or even for Easter too. Heat transfer vinyl adheres down onto these absolutely perfectly, and I love giving them as gifts. The oven mitts are also great. Not only do they work, but they are the perfect blank for any heat transfer vinyl projects. I love being able to take Dollar Tree items, add some vinyl or heat transfer, and really transform them into a high-end product. Fifth on my list has got to be all the different glasses and glassware that you can find at the Dollar Tree. One of my favorites that I didn't include a picture of at the Dollar Tree are these bottles. These are actually the iced coffee bottles that you can find in the refrigerated section. They make amazing bottles for crafting. And they have started to sell these textured milk bottles in the glassware section of Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree started stocking these items in summer of 2020, but they seem like they are here to stay because every time I go to my Dollar Tree, I can always find them. I love the topper on them. For one of my spring projects, I made a bunny cloche and hot glued that to the top. And lately in my Halloween video from this year, I was able to use the bottle and make a really cool spooky potion one. Next up, do not skimp over the Dollar Tree's bathroom section. They have some really nice soap dispensers, even if you didn't want to craft with them, and also shower rings. I have used shower rings in quite a few different projects. I will be showing them in just a moment. So they are always handy to have on hand if you are a crafter. I used them on this candle lantern, and I also took one of the shower rings and put it as an ornament topper in one of my projects from this past year. I did a Disney video a couple years back and used the black soap dispenser and toothbrush holder from the Dollar Tree in that project. Not a huge surprise here, but I love the storage containers from Dollar Tree. I'll show you some plastic ones as well as glass. These are great not only for storage, but also you can add your own little DIY flair to them. I love adding vinyl or even sticker lettering that you can also get at the Dollar Tree to really up the organizational level on these. I used the pegboards from Dollar Tree. I also really enjoy the glass containers from Dollar Tree. They have come out with some really nice and large ones this year, so you can definitely put a lot of stuff in them. I used one of the glass kind of mason jar looking containers for a Christmas DIY gift in one of my videos this year. But if you're looking for a little bit more of a non-conventional way to use their glassware, one tip that I have is for a couple of my DIYs, I like to flip the glass over and you make a cloche. Dollar Tree does sell the plastic cloches, but sometimes I just want the glass look. Dollar Tree also has a great selection of socks. I have used these in quite a few of my DIY gifts. In this one, I tucked the socks into a mug. I've also done a DIY where I used some heat transfer vinyl to write down a funny saying on the bottoms of the socks, and I have even made some cupcakes out of them. They're a great gift for anyone. 9 on my list has got to be the candles at the Dollar Tree. They always take up a big section of the homewares aisle, so I definitely had to mention them. One of my favorites is these tall glass candles. I have used them in quite a few DIYs. I really like the white ones because you can add a lot of different vinyls or napkins, really any kind of decor, and make your own with the white ones. In this case, I made a snowman, and I also did the hot chocolate themed candle. The glass candle holders are also great. I picked up this frosted and gold one and added my own saying. And then I also used a smaller tea light and the glass holder to create this nautical one. You'll probably also notice that the Dollar Tree sells some of the wax melts. Usually they also sell the wax warmers. Those are really fun to pair together for a gift. For most of the Dollar Tree candles, they'll have a glass outer holder, and the window clings from Dollar Tree adhere perfectly onto those if you're looking for a quick DIY. I even used the Dollar Tree candles in my bridesmaid proposal boxes this year. Keeping with our candle theme, I have got to include the glass candle holders from Dollar Tree. Yes, you could use it to actually hold some candles, but I use it in lots of different ways for my DIYs. In spring, I put a birdhouse on it, and then for Halloween, I made this spooky skull mirror, and the candlestick holder just provided that perfect Victorian looking base to have a really cool handheld mirror. And my other favorite DIY that I have done with this is place a bowl on top, and then you have this elevated candy dish for Christmas. Dollar Tree also sells some other candle holders that make really great vases for other projects. In this one, I used the candle holder as the base for my winter lantern. Thanks so much for watching. I have a new video coming out on Saturday with all things Valentine's Day, so make sure you have your notifications turned on and that you're subscribed. Until then, keep searching, keep creating.